Hi friends, we are meeting a gap of 1 week. We have completed my friends circles and both about the circles I took around 4 to 5 videos or classes. In the 5th video I have done what objective type or 1 mark questions. The other three videos I think I have done on areas related to the track, areas related to the circle. Areas we have done, my friends. Yes. Next, after finishing the circles, the next topic selected is the one topic left while doing trigonometry. My friends, I have done trigonometry in the beginning. Now, I am doing its application of what? Trigonometry. Now it is a SSLC or 10th standard mathematics. We are dealing with application of trigonometry to heights and distances, my friends. It is applications of trigonometry to heights and distances, my friends. Yes. As usual, 2 lines about this. Trigonometry, a oldest branch of mathematics. Its main purpose to invent is actually this astrologer as well as geographers as well as navigators wanted the very much use of what? The trigonometry. Really, the trigonometry was invented because of to fulfill the needs of astrologer, geographers and navigators, my friends. It is used in finding the heights and distances of various objects without actual measurement, without measuring them, without measuring. For example, my friends, in finding the height of a tree, in finding the height of a temple, in finding the height of a mountain, and to find the distance between 2 ships, like that, my friends. In such cases, we are unable to do these things, measure these things actually. In such cases, the mathematicians invented actually the very purpose to introduce trigonometry to the field of mathematics is to help what? This astrologer. Astrologer wanted what? The distance from here to the earth, to the different planets, my friends. They wanted the distances, these friends. And navigators wanted what? To find the distance between 2 ships, the height of a ship, like that, my friends. And even these geographers wanted what? What is the height of a temple, height of a tree, height of a tower, like that, my friends. Therefore, these are the things which we are unable to measure. In such cases, mathematician friends introduced this trigonometry to help these people, this set of people, my friends. In helping these set of peoples, mathematicians introduced 2 types of angles. In measuring the distance between 2 ships, distance between a friend with a temple, or height of a temple, height of a tree. In such cases, the mathematicians introduced 2 types of angles as follows. First angle, its name is angle of elevation. Yes, my friends. What is this O? Denotes the observer's eye. And a horizontal line OX through O. Horizontal line OX through O is called horizontal or horizontal level. This, my friends, O be the observer's eye a line through O, which is OX. A line through O, which is OX. This OX is called horizontal line or horizontal level. Horizontal level. This is our horizontal line or horizontal level. If the object A is above the horizontal line, if the object A is above the horizontal line, then the line OA, or line segment OA is called as line of sight, Then the angle XOA, this angle, my friends, this angle, if these are the two lines, my friends, if the object is above, in that case you have to raise your head. You have to raise your head like this. In this case, what? This is the angle of elevation. This is the angle of elevation. If the object, this is the point, this is the horizontal. If the object is A here, then you have to take what? This angle as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. The same thing is written here, my friends. Let O denotes the observer's eye, the observer's eye, and a horizontal line OX through O is called horizontal or horizontal level or horizontal line, anything. If A be the object which lies above the horizontal line, above the horizontal line OX, then the line OA is called as line of sight, and angle XOA is called angle of elevation. In this case, we raise our head to see the object. This is one, my friends, which is angle of elevation. Second is angle of depression. Here, the object is above the horizontal. In this case, the object is below the horizontal. If the object lies below the horizontal OX, then angle XOB, this, my friends, see the direction, angle XOB is called as angle of depression. In this case, we lower our head. To look the object B. Thus, my friends, we have three things. One is horizontal. What is it? It is a line through the observer's eye. It is a horizontal line through the observer's eye. Line of sight, either this or this. What is it? It is a line joining the object to the what? Observer's eye. Line of sight. If the object is above the horizontal, angle made by the line of sight with horizontal. If the object lies above the horizontal, then angle made by the line of sight with horizontal. What is this angle? Angle made by the line of sight. Line of sight is what? It is a line looking at the object by the observer. This is the angle made by the line of sight with horizontal. In that case, it is said to be angle of elevation if the object lies above the horizontal. If the object lies below the horizontal, then the angle made by the line of sight with horizontal, this, which is angle XOB. Angle made by the line of sight with horizontal. When the object is below the horizontal, then the angle is said to be angle of depression. If the object is above, angle of elevation. If the object lies below the horizontal, then the angle made is angle of depression. These are two main two main definitions of what, my friends, two basics. These are angles. Yes, my friends. I go once again. As visual trigonometry we have done, I told the meaning of trigonometry, everything I told, my friends. Yes, this trigonometry was invented because it was needed to help what? Astrologer, geographers and navigators. It is used in finding the heights and distances of various objects without actual measuring them. For this purpose, to do this, we means what? The mathematicians introduced two types of angles. One, angle of elevation. Definition, let O denote the observer's eye, and a horizontal line, straight side. That if you look straight, that line is called as what? Horizontal, straight line. It is a straight line OX through O is known as horizontal or horizontal level or horizontal line. If the object A lies above the horizontal OX, then line OA is called as line of sight. And angle XOA, see the direction above is known as angle of elevation. In this case, to see the object, to look at the object, we raise our head. Second, angle of depression. If the object B lies below the horizontal OX, then the angle made by the line of sight with horizontal, namely angle XOB, is called as angle of depression. My friends, in this case, to look at the object B, we lower our head. Lower the head, angle of depression. If you raise the head, angle created is what? Angle of elevation. Thus, my friends, I like to say, thus, my friends, you have the following basic definitions. We have the following basic definitions. Yes, my friends, thus we have one, the line of sight. Line of sight is the line drawn from the observer's eye. Observer's eye to the object, where the object is either above or below. Both are line of sights. Below is also line of sight, above is also line of sight. Yes, my friends. Second is angle of elevation. Sometimes they ask the definitions under 1 mark. Definitions are important. Angle of elevation is the angle formed by the line of sight. with horizontal, when the object lies above the horizontal, Similarly, what is the third? Angle of depression. Angle of depression is the angle formed by the line of sight with horizontal, when the object being viewed below, or object lies below, simple, lies below the horizontal. Yes, my friends. Sometimes they may ask, define the line of sight. Definition under 1 mark. Line of sight, define. What is the line of sight? Is the line drawn from the observer's eye to the object. It is a line segment. Angle of elevation is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the object lies above the horizontal. Third, angle of depression is the angle formed by the line of sight with horizontal when the object lies below the horizontal. Yes, my friends. If we look straight, then that line traced is called as horizontal. If the object is above, then if you look at the object, that is called as what? Line of sight. Then angle of elevation is the angle made by the line of sight with horizontal when the object lies above the horizontal. Third, angle of depression is the angle formed by the line of sight with horizontal when the object lies below the horizontal. Yes, my friends. These are the main. If the object lies above, angle of elevation, lies below, angle of depression, and angle of either elevation or depression, these are the angles formed with horizontal. Line of sight with horizontal below this, above this. Remember, my friends. Yes, my friends. In this case, while solving the problems, we represent the objects by a point. We represent the objects by the point. Then this horizontal line of sight by what? Line segments. Line segment OB, line of sight. OX, horizontal line. OA, line segment OA is what? Line of sight. This is horizontal. Angle with this, angle of elevation, angle of depression. My friends, 1 minute, just see. Therefore, angle of elevation and angle of depressions always we measure with horizontal. We measure with horizontal. Then, my friends, you have Examples. Yes, my friends, examples. Yes. Examples, my friends, this is heights and distances. Examples from exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. My friends, first example. Example number 1. Example number 1. Before that, my friends, I want to explain one more things. Yes, I remove it now. Yes, my friends, trigonometry means it comes with a right angle triangle. Here also you might have seen angle of elevation, angle of depression. See, this is the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line. If the object A is here, if it is O, this is OX, this is OA, A. If you draw a perpendicular from here, what is this? My friend, it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Say this is AM. If this angle is theta, then you are forming what? Tan theta. Sin theta. That all things comes, my friends. This is what? Sin theta. Sin theta is what? Opposite side. Opposite side AM upon hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? OA. This is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. AM upon OA. Then cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, which is OM. Upon OA. Then tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. What is it? It is AM upon OM. When all these are there means you wanted what? The angles. Yes, these are T ratios. T ratios and angles. These are angles, my friends. Angles. Comes with what? Normally these three. 30 degrees, 40, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. These are the angles. Then T ratios, my friends. T ratios. T ratios comes first is sine. First is sine. This is angle theta. This is sine. This is sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. This is sine 60 is root 3 by 2. This is related with sine. This is cos, my friend. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. 45 is 1 by root 2. Then 60 is, my friends, it is 1 by 2. This is about the cos. Then tan theta, tan of these angles, tan 30, 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1 and tan 60 is root 3. These are connected angles, my friends. And these you must remember. These you must remember. Yes, my friends, remember this. Then, yes, phi, in getting what? Either angle of elevation or angle of depression, we get what? This triangle, right angle triangle, means we define trigonometric ratios. Sine theta, opposite upon hypotenuse, AM upon OA. Cos theta, adjacent upon hypotenuse, OM upon OA. Tan theta, opposite upon hypotenuse, my friends, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Tan. Then different three angles. Phi angles made by what? With a line of sight with what? Angle of elevation they may give in terms of what? 30, 45, 60. If they give angle of elevation or depression at 0, what is sine 0 is 0, what is cos 0 undefined, like that it comes. So 0 we are not considered. If it comes 90, tan 90 is infinity. Therefore, normally what? 0 and 90 they never give. In between you have what? Three angles. 30, 45, 60. You must know these three connected with what? These. Sine 30, cos 30, tan 30. Sine 45, cos 45, tan 45. Sine 60, cos 60, and tan 60. You know the values, you must, my friends. You must know this. Then I write the examples, exercise 12.1. First example. A circus artist. A circus artist is climbing a rope 20-meter long, 20-meter long, which is tightly stretched, and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. height of the pole. Height of the pole. If the angle made, by the rope with the ground, is 30 degrees. Yes, my friends. Now I remember this. Yes. Yes. My friends, this is the question. These examples comes under 3-mark questions. That is part 4th, my friends, in the question paper. Normally this is example number 27, you know. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, like that. Part 1 is objective type questions. They give what? 4 options. Part B, they give 1-mark questions. Part 3, they give what? 2-mark questions. This is part 4, 3-mark questions. In that, these example on heights and distance will be example number 27 in your model question papers. Example number 27 in your model question papers, given very, very recently by the SSLC board, my friends. SSLC board. Yes. What is the solution? My friends, this is the ground. This is the ground. This is the vertical pole on the ground. Vertical pole. This is the vertical pole. We can name it as what? A is the top, B is the bottom, then a rope is tied tightly to the top of the pole. This is, my friends, rope. This point is a C. An artist from the circus. C is climbing along the rope here to the top of what? Pole, making angle 30 degrees with the ground. You want to find what is the height of the pole. Very simple example. Again, pole is always what? It is a right angle perpendicular to the ground. Right angle triangle. What is this, my friend? Adjacent side. Hypotenuse. What is? This is given. And what is given? That is very important, my friends. Rope is given. The length of the rope is given. This is 20 meter. This you want to find. This is H. This you want to find H. Then opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse means you must take what? Sin 30. If this BC is asked, you have to take, my friends, cos 30, like that. If any one of this is given, this is 20, tan you have to take. Now this is the given cinema. So let AB be the pole. With the pole in which A is the top. Then AC is the rope. 20 meter is the row. Then angle of elevation, angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. This is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Then from triangle ABC or ACB, we have, take sine, my friends. You wanted opposite side, sine 30. Sine 30 is opposite side AB upon hypotenuse AC. The value of sine 30 explained. AB H. What is AC? 20. From this, my friends, what is this? It is 20 upon 2 is H. So you get it H equal to 10. Therefore, what is that H? Height of the pole. Therefore, height of the pole equal to 10 meters. Height of the pole is 10 meters. Simple examples, my friends. So, once again here, place what? These angles. Sine of the angle, cos of the angle, tan of the angle. With mainly three angles, 30, 45, 60. Understood? Then you must know opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Once again, the entire drama goes with right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means three main persons, sine, cos, tan comes, my friend, to help in doing these examples. Yes, my friends. Next example is, there is the second example. Example number 2, exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Example 2. Example 2. Next is exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Example 2. This is second example. Second example. A tree breaks. Breaks due to the storm. Due to a storm and the broken piece, broken point bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Touches the ground. Making an angle making an angle 30 degrees with it, means with the ground. with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. Touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. Yes, my friends, it is the second example in exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Yes. Read and first you draw the figure. Draw the figure. Yes, friends. Yes. This is the ground. This is the ground. This is the tree. Due to the storm, yes, my friend, it broke here. This point, say, this is AB. Or we can say A is the top. This point, it is a tree, broke at the point C. See, this piece from here, this is tree on the ground. Then these two distances are equal, my friends. If you take it as what? D. Then it makes what? Angle 30 degrees. With the point where it lies. Once again, my friends, is the right angle triangle. What is given? This is given as 8 meter. This is 8 meter. You wanted to find what is the height of this tree. You wanted to find what is the height of the tree. This is height of the tree. Height of the tree. This you wanted to find. Yes, my friends. Right. Let solution AB equal to H be the height of the tree. Be the height of the tree. Yes. Given BD is 8 meter and angle of elevation That is angle CDB is given as 30 degrees, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Yes. Now, it is broken at this point means what? This distance equal to the same piece light here. The same AC light here. Then it is also given or observed. It is observed. It is observed distance CA equal to distance CD, that is CA equal to CD. CA is CD. This is a very important rule. CD. Yes. Then from the triangle, which triangle? BCD, from triangle BCD. Yes, you wanted this height. This is given and angle is given. Adjacent side is given. What is this, my friend? Opposite to 30. Opposite adjacent. Opposite adjacent, what is the relation? Tan 30. Tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent. Tan 30. Why you have to take tan 30, my friends? Tell. Why you have to take tan 30? Why not sine? Sine means comes hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not given. Tan means this BC upon BD. Why? This is adjacent, this is opposite. Adjacent is given but not hypotenuse. In the previous example, hypotenuse given, so we took sine. But in this case, adjacent side is given, opposite side we want to find, angle is given. To find the opposite side, you have to take what? Tan of the angle. Why? What is tan? Opposite upon adjacent. Instead of adjacent, hypotenuse is given. At that time, you have to go for what? Sine. Yes, my friend. Tan 30. What is tan 30? BC upon BD. Opposite side. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 equal to. What is BC? What is BC? Is BC itself. Upon BD. What is BD is 8. From this, my friends, BC equal to. BC is, take this side, 8 upon root 3. 8 upon root 3. This is BC. This is BC. Tell my friend. What is height of the tree? H equal to. It is BC plus CA. Yes. Now, height of the tree. Height of the tree is H. H means what, my friend? AB. AB equal to H be the height of the tree. But what is AB? That AB equal to, tell. It is CA plus BC. BC plus CA. What is the value of BC? 8 by root 3 plus CA. CA equal to CD. CA equal to CD. But what is the value of CD? CA equal to CD. Yes, right. What is the value of CD? We have to find it. CD we have to find. CD we have to find. CD means this. D is here. This is D. To find this, you have to take what? CD is hypotenuse. CD is hypotenuse. This is given. Adjacent side. Upon this, you can take cos 30, my friends, now. Cos 30. Cos 30 is dB, or adjacent side upon hypotenuse is CD. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is BD? Is 8 upon CD. Therefore, what is CD, my friends? CD is 18 to 2 upon root 3. 18 to 2 upon root 3, which is 16 upon root 3. Yes, this is CD. This is CD. Yes, now we can put the value. But what is CD equal to CA? But CD equal to CA. Here, my friends, CD equal to CA. CA equal to 16 upon root 3. Yes. Now, height of the tree is AB. This is AB is what? BC plus CA. BC plus CA. BC is what? 8 by root 3. What is CA? 16 by root 3. What is the LCM? Root 3. 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 is 24 upon root 3. 24 upon root 3. Therefore, height of the tree equal to 24 upon root 3. We have to multiply both sides by root 3. This is 24 into root 3 upon 3, which is 8 into root 3 meter. 8 into root 3 meter. I will explain once again, my friends. Just to copy it. I will explain once again. Yes. This is the question. A tree breaks due to the storm. That broken piece at a point bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree, this is foot of the tree to the top where it lies. This distance given is 8 meter. Then you want to find what is the height of the tree. It makes what? 30 degrees with the ground. Yes. Solution, let AB equal to H be the height of the tree. Given BD 8 meter, this is angle of elevation. It is CDB is 30 degrees. It is observed. The same broken piece lied here means these two pieces are equal. Distance CA is distance CD. CA equal to CD. You take what? Tan 30. BC upon BD. BC upon BD. BC upon BD is this 1 by root 3. BC upon 8. BC is 8 by root 3. Then you take cos 30. BD upon CD is this. CD is what? 8 into 2, 16 upon root 3. My friends, height of the tree is AB. This. Substitute the values. It is 24 upon root 3. You have to multiply root 3 by root 3. Multiply and divide. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 24 by 3 is 8 into root 3 will be the what? Height of the tree, my friends. Meter. This is the second example of this exercise. These examples, my friends, comes under 3-mark questions. 3-mark questions. These are good examples. Always you can have in part 4, example number 27 according to the recent model question paper given by the SSLC board, my friends. You can prepare it. I do it more examples in the next video. Till then, my friends, thank you very much. Bye, goodbye, namaste, namaskara, namashinyo, my friends, namashinyo. Enjoy. Good day.